Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.3% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The gold gained 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices were steady as investors tried to gauge what impact a weak U.S. jobs report would have on the Federal Reserve's monetary policy amid uncertainty sparked by the Omicron coronavirus variant. A member of the Bank of England's Monetary Policy Committee has signaled rate hikes are likely based on current forecasts, but data on Omicron could change things. The dollar ticked higher amid a broadly calmer tone in markets as fears over Omicron's impact eased. But currency moves were muted ahead of a key U.S. payrolls report.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's overall household spending will be released at 23:30 GMT. The U.S. 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Germany's factory orders at 0700 GMT. The UK's market construction PMI will be released at 0930 GMT. The U.S. 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 20:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.